Yanko second question no. Nentwaso no. Name this compound. Naming as a O2 badin no. Abadin to we no say we o compound was synthesize here and I want make here. You have to name it. As O2 needing. Na eba naming of chemical compounds are your rules ho. Actually you be ho komo. But for the purpose of the question's sake no. Yendro ye compound ni biom. Expanded version ni biom. Na yenhwe how we betman name no. Inti magriga ka chere say we me carbon number 1 inti metre 1 ho 1 ye toso ni carbon number 2 metre 2 ana de do ho ni carbon number 3 ye start free number na we me carbon number 1 cause amra eda name ho no e bi no e also start free there you get the lowest or the least possible numbers for where the substituent is, which is this guy, the chlorine. Okay, so what number we are carbons no account it. You count it in your 3. Say 3 name no your first BB prop HSS 3 into near 3 prop. You call functional group functional groups no your BB a friend alkane and alkyne. You call alkane HSS bonds na edidan term a single bond. You call alkene bonds na ebe between carbon and carbon no ebe mienu enye baako sisi ehu baako a yeka alkene ebe 2 ne yeka alkyne no bond ebe between carbon and carbon no ebe den miensa nti no nso no ebe di onkomo akire. But again for the purpose of this question no we alkane adentia because bond na eye bond between carbon we ni carbon we no bond no eye single or a single one double nti alkane dia ye de A-N-E ebeso ase nti skeleton no ye friend den propane ye toaso a on say we na hydrogens nti no de ye mfa your attention ko ba ye say green bo ha green e was ye bon ho komo green ye chlorine ye ntwe chlorine ye betwe chloro name no principles e bi no ye betwe chloro I said me can I said O2 badin so ba no o no Tuesday no ye bema na opese o man ne kradin a ebe ye kwabena enti eva ne se we no Tuesday a skeleton name no ebe ye bia wo say name enti no propane na ya twere no compound we ni say name na chloro na ye dia besha hase no kire se eva ne se da ye de won zero medical ka se wo Tuesday na ye bema ebe fra kwabena no fa ne se we no chloro no kire se chlorine bi ewo compound ni mu nti chloropropane ye the same name parent name nti wo ba na say wo say name no phobia oba no be di phobia as a parent name ba sakra na ye wo ni Tuesday or ye refer no kwabena phobia. So the phobia is a parent name which is the same name and then this guy. Okay, by ba scientific name na baby a chloro ni she no ni position so ehu hia nti position no on say medical yadika number je 1 2 3 chloro no eshe position number 1 nti say mano recognition te betre 1 edi animu nti compound we ye be friend say 1 chloro because 1 no eche gina ho ma baby a chloro no bonded to what is it 1 chloropropane. Cocoa Chem is here to help you every step of the way so that you'll be able to think critically and solve even more challenging questions. Okay, thank you again for learning chemistry with Cocoa Chem. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it with friends and family and let them also enjoy.